Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14D from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 19. A 1, minus 5, B 2, 2 and C minus 2, 4 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of first part the median of the triangle through A, second part the altitude of the triangle through B, third part the line through C and parallel to AB. There is a triangle ABC. So let's draw the triangle. Triangle ABC है. We know the coordinates of the vertices, so let's write down the coordinates. First part, we need to find the equation of the median of the triangle through A. From A, we are drawing a median. So median is nothing but joining A with the midpoint of the opposite side. A का opposite side कौन सा है? BC. So you are joining midpoint of BC with the opposite side. Okay, opposite vertex. Sorry. So A को midpoint से join करेंगे. Let's say there is some point M which is midpoint of BC. So we are joining A and M. AM का equation find out करना है. Okay. So AM का equation find out करने के लिए first thing that I need is slope. Without slope I cannot frame the equation. Now for slope, over here I am not told that any line is perpendicular or parallel, nothing. What other information can I get? I have A का coordinates. If I find M का coordinates, then using 2 points form I can easily frame the equation. मुझे slope भी मिल जाएगा. 2 points का coordinates पता है on a line, then you can easily frame the equation. So if I find M का coordinates, it's easy. I can use coordinates of A and M and find out the equation. So M का coordinates कैसे मिलेगा? It's easy. It is midpoint of BC है ना? Midpoint है. I can use midpoint formula. All right. So M का coordinates मुझे easily मिल जाएगा using midpoint formula. X coordinate will be sum of the X coordinates of B and C divided by 2. So 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2 and sum of the Y coordinates will give Y coordinate है ना, divided by 2. So you just have to add the X coordinates divide by 2, add the Y coordinates divide by 2. Okay. Solve करके M का coordinates मिल जाएगा. Alright. Once you get M का coordinates, A and M का coordinates से हम लोग slope find out कर सकते हैं. AM का slope मिल जाएगा. Okay. So next thing that we'll do is find slope of AM. Alright. So first thing is finding the coordinates of M using midpoint formula. Second, slope of AM. Third is equation. Okay. So equation find out करेंगे AM का. For equation only we found the slope. For that only we found coordinates of M. है ना? So equation के लिए we'll be using this form. Right? y1 M and x1 का वैल्यू चाहिए. Slope is nothing but M. है ना? M मुझे मिल जाएगा. A and M का coordinate से मुझे slope मिल जाएगा. Because M is nothing but y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Put the values of the coordinates and you will get slope of AM easily. मिल जाएगा. Slope का value put करो. x1 y1 we have taken A as x1 y1. So put the values of x1 and y1 and M. You will get the equation on solving further. Alright. So let's find the equation of the median first. Then we'll come to the rest two parts. ठीक है? First draw the figure and then write down the statements. So after drawing, write down let AM be the median of triangle ABC. They have not named the median. Okay, the midpoint they have not named. So we have taken it as M over here. So AM is the median. Therefore M will be the midpoint of BC. Right? मिडपॉइंट होगा तो ही मीडियन होगा, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना है m का. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स यूजिंग मिडपॉइंट फॉर्मूला. So using midpoint formula, m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएगा? It will be, x coordinate will be 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, and y coordinates will be 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So m will be 2 minus 2 plus and minus हो जाएगा upon 2, and 2 plus 4 gives 6 upon 2. So this gives 0 upon 2, that gives 0 only. 2 3s are. So it will give 0, 3. m का coordinates मिल गया 0, 3 है. Okay. For median AM, A we are taking as x1, y1 and m as x2, y2. So write that down. A x1, y1 and the coordinates 1, minus 5, m x2, y2 and the coordinates 0, 3. Okay, we have the coordinates, we can easily find out the slope. So m will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or you can take y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So y2 is 3, y1 is minus 5, x2 is 0 and x1 is 1. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा, 3 plus 5 upon 0 minus 1 gives minus 1. 8 upon minus 1, that gives minus 8. Okay, slope मिल गया. Now we'll frame the equation. We know m, we know x1, y1. We'll write down the equation now. So the equation of median AM is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values now. Y minus y1 is minus 5 equals to, put brackets, m is minus 8 into x minus x1. x1 will be 1, so x1 is 1. x and y as it is रहेगा students, because equation frame कर रहे हैं, minus minus plus. Okay, minus 8x minus into minus plus 8 ones are 8. Okay, now over here 8x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. All right, so if you want to keep it in standard form, y equals to mx plus c, then just shift 5 over here, then 5 subtract हो जाएगा, 8 minus 5 gives 3, y will be equal to minus 8x plus 3 हो जाएगा. So I'll solve over here. It will be y equals to minus 8x plus 8 minus 5, that gives 3. You can keep it like this or shift 8x over here. Normally x हम लोग negative नहीं रखते हैं. We'll shift it on the other side. So 8x plus y equals to 3. This will be the equation. You can consider this or this. Both are correct. All right. So we got the equation of AM. Write down the statement. The equation of the median AM is 8x plus y equals to 3, or y equals to minus 8x plus 3. Okay, so don't forget the final statement and box the equation. This is the first part. All right, second part में we have to find the equation of the altitude of the triangle through B. So let's see how we'll solve now. Coming to second part of the question, we have to find the equation of the altitude of the triangle through B. You are drawing an altitude that is perpendicular from B to the opposite side. So B से AC पे एक perpendicular draw करेंगे. All right. Let this meet at point P. So BP is perpendicular to AC. All right. I'll erase this so it will become easy to understand. So BP is perpendicular to AC, we have to find the equation of BP. BP का equation find out करना है. Now BP and AC are perpendicular lines, so product of the slopes will be equal to -1, है ना. Why I am talking about slope? Because BP के लिए मुझे slope लगेगा. So BP का slope मैं कैसे find out कर सकती हूँ? Using AC का slope. Because AC का slope I can easily find. A and C का coordinates पता है. So I can easily find AC का slope. Once I get AC का slope, BP का slope मुझे मिल जाएगा. Using the property of the perpendicular line. Slope of BP into slope of AC is equal to -1. AC का मिल जाएगा तो BP का easily मिल जाएगा. Just put the value of AC and negative reciprocal हो जाएगा. So slope of BP is easy to find. Slope पता है, B का coordinates पता है, that is 1 point का coordinates पता है. So using point slope form, 1 point का coordinates and slope. So M पता है, x1 y1 पता है, then I can easily frame the equation of BP. Okay, take this as capital X1 y1. We already use small x1 y1 over here, all right, for AM. So take this as capital X1 y1. We'll be using this format to frame the equation. X1 y1 we know, M we'll easily get, alright. So put the values and get the equation of BP. So let's solve now. Draw the figure first. So you can draw BP in the same figure that you have drawn earlier. Now BP is the altitude. They have not named the altitude, so name it. Write down, let BP be perpendicular to AC. So we have to find BP का equation. For that we need slope of BP, and slope of BP will get from slope of AC. तो पहले slope of AC find out करते हैं. So for AC the slope will be equal to, y coordinates पहले subtract करेंगे. So I'll subtract from C first. 4 minus -5. 4 minus -5 and -2 -1. You can take the other way around also. -5 -4 and 1 -2. So minus minus plus हो जाएगा. 4 plus 5 and minus minus है तो -3. Okay. So that will give 9 upon -3, that gives -3. Okay, so don't solve it like this, solve vertically. Slope of AC we got as -3. Now slope of BP find out करना है. So write down BP is perpendicular to AC, therefore slope of BP into slope of AC is equal to -1. Slope of BP as it is रखते हैं, ये find out करना है. Slope of AC we just got -3 है. Shift -3 on the other side. So slope of BP is equal to -1 upon -3. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So 1 upon 3. All right. We have slope, we know B का coordinates. Let's find out the equation now. For BP, let B be capital X1 Y1, which is 2, 2, and slope we know is 1/3. We just found the value. So the equation of altitude BP is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 is 2, m is 1 upon 3, x minus x1 is 2. Shifting 3 on the other side, it will get multiplied. 1 into x minus 2 हो जाएगा. 3y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. Over here we'll shift 6 on the other side, so it will become plus 6 minus 2, so that gives 4. Okay, So 3y is equal to x plus 4 is the equation of the line, that is equation of the altitude through B. So write down the final statement, box करके final statement लिख लो. The altitude of the triangle through B, the equation of the altitude of the triangle through B is 3y equals to x plus 4. Standard form में you can write it as y equals to x by 3 plus 4 by 3. Okay. Coming to third part of the question. Find the equation of the line through C and parallel to AB. There is a line through C which is parallel to AB. So draw the line. These two lines are parallel. We know parallel lines have equal slopes, same slopes होगा. So जो भी AB का slope होगा वही ये line का slope होगा. Okay. So we need slope of this line to find the equation. So first we'll find slope of AB. Once you get the slope पता है, एक point का coordinates पता है, so framing the equation is easy using point slope form. Okay. So first we'll find the slope of AB. So write down slope of AB. Draw this. Okay. So you can draw this in the same figure itself or you can draw it separately. Slope of AB is subtracting the y coordinates first. So 2 minus minus 5 upon 2 minus 1. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा. 2 minus 1 gives 1. So 7 upon 1, that is 7. So slope of AB is 7. So the slope of the line parallel to AB will also be 7 because parallel lines have equal slopes. So write down parallel lines have equal slopes. Therefore, slope of the line parallel to AB is 7. Okay. Now for this line we have slope and coordinates of 1 point. So write down for the line through C and parallel to AB, we know slope is 7. We just found the slope. Okay. We have C का coordinates. So write down let C be x1 y1 की जगह we will take capital X capital Y. So it is minus 2 comma 4. So we have the coordinates, we have slope. Let's find the equation. The equation of the line is y minus capital Y equals to m into x minus capital X. Y का value है 4, m is 7 and x का value है minus 2. So put box brackets outside. Y minus 4 is equal to 7 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Y minus 4 is equal to 7x plus 7 2s are 14. Shifting 4 on the other side. X वाला term positive है, so keep it as it is. 14 plus 4 will give 18. So this is already in standard form. So y is equal to 7x plus 18. Box the equation, write down the final statement. The equation of the line through C and parallel to AB is y equals to 7x plus 18. Next question, question number 20. There are two parts. First part is write down the equation of the line AB through 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line 2y equals to 3x plus 5. We'll come to second part later. There is a line AB. So draw the line AB. We have to find the equation of the line AB through 3, 2. This line is passing through some point जिसका coordinates है 3, 2. So let's name the point as P. P is 3, 2. Okay. It is passing through P. and perpendicular to the line 2y equals to 3x plus 5. This line is perpendicular to some other line जिसका इक्वेशन है 2y equals to 3x plus 5. Since the two lines are perpendicular, I can say product of the slopes is equal to -1. है ना? So let's say this line is CD. Okay, I'm naming it as CD. In second part also there is no CD, so I can name it as CD over here. So CD and AB are perpendicular, so I can say slope of AB into slope of CD is equal to -1. CD का स्लोप मुझे easily मिल जाएगा because equation पता है, so I just have to bring the equation in standard form. Standard form of equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so ये form में लेकर आना है, जो x का coefficient होगा that will be the slope of the line. So I'll easily get CD का slope from the equation. Once I get CD का slope, AB का slope मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. So AB का slope मिल जाएगा, then we have slope of AB. Also we know it is passing through point P 3,2. So we'll have M, we'll have x1 y1. So we can easily frame the equation. Y minus y1 equals to M into x minus x1. Put the values of x1 y1, put the value of M, and you will get the equation of line AB. Okay, so let us solve now. Write down the statement, let line CD have equation 2y equals to 3x plus 5. We are naming this line as CD. Okay, we need to find slope of this line, so we'll find it by bringing it in standard form. So write down the equation. Now स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में y का कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं होगा, 1 होगा, सो शिफ्ट 2 ऑन दी अदर साइड, सो 3x plus 5 the whole will be divided by 2. It is denominator of 3x also, 5 also, so separate कर दो, 3x by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, now it is in standard form, y equals to mx plus c, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, सो स्लोप क्या हो जाएगा, it will be m, this is the slope, that is 3 by 2. So write down comparing the equation with the standard form y equals to mx plus c, we get slope as 3 by 2. Okay, x का जो coefficient है that is the slope. So we got slope of CD. Now we can easily find slope of AB. We know slope of AB into slope of CD is equal to -1 because they are perpendicular lines. So write down AB is perpendicular to CD. Therefore slope of AB into slope of CD is equal to -1. CD का slope है 3 by 2 into slope of AB. Shifting 3 by 2 on the other side, it will be reciprocal, तो it will हो जाएगा 2 by 3, so it will be -2 by 3. Okay, we have named the point as P, so here they have not named 3,2, so we have named it as P, so you have to write down the statement. Now AB is passing through point P, so for AB we know the slope, we know P x1 y1, so we can easily find the equation. It will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, put the values. Y minus y1 है 2, m is -2 by 3 and x1 is 3. Okay, put brackets because we'll shift 3 on the other side, so multiply हो जाएगा, here -2 into x minus 3, so opening the brackets, 3y minus 6 is equal to -2x minus plus 2 3s are 6. x वाला term negative है, so normally what we do is if it is negative we group it with y term, so 2x plus 3y, and shifting 6 over here, 6 plus 6 gives 12. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This will be the equation of the line. Or in standard form, so standard form में यहीं से what we will do, 3y will be equal to minus 2x plus 12, so that gives minus 2 by 3x plus 12 by 3 will give 4. Okay, so I've skipped the steps over here. ये हो जाएगा equation in standard form. Whichever you consider, box it and write down the final statement. The equation of the line AB is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Now coming to the second part of the question. Coming to second part of the question, AB meets the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Write down the coordinates of A and B. Calculate the area of triangle OAB where O is the origin. We are talking about the same line over here. AB का ही बात हो रहा है. AB is meeting x-axis at some point and y-axis at some point. It is cutting both the axes. So, draw the axis first. X-axis है, y-axis है. Now, AB is cutting both the axes. So, it will be like this. Okay. It is cutting x-axis at A. So, A पे कट कर रहा है and y-axis at B. Write down the coordinates of A and B. A, it is lying on x-axis, so y coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. It will have x coordinate but y coordinate will be 0. Same way for B, y coordinate होगा but x coordinate will be 0 because it is lying on y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0, y coordinate will be something. I can easily find the coordinates because I know the equation of the line. Equation of the line we just found in first part. 2x plus 3y equals to 12 is the equation. A का coordinates find out करने के लिए I just have to put the values over here because it will satisfy the equation. So I'll just put the values x as it is, y की जगह पे 0, you will get the value of x. Okay, so coordinates मिल जाएगा. Same way for B, it is lying on the line, so it has to satisfy the equation. So put x की जगह पे 0 and y की जगह पे y and find out the value. Okay, so I'll easily get the coordinates of A and B. Now once I get the coordinates of A and B, I have to find one more thing. Calculate the area of triangle OAB where O is the origin. So O is the origin, that is उसका coordinates 0 0 होगा. ये triangle का area क्या होगा ये find out करना है. Now this is a right angle triangle because of course x and y axis intersect at right angle. So right angle triangle के लिए if I know the base and the height, I can easily find out the area. Half into base into height will give me the area of triangle. Okay, so I need base, that is OA and OB. So OA distance will be nothing but this. Okay, but it is better that you show the working. OA distance find out करने के लिए use distance formula. Distance formula use करो to find OA and OB. Okay, it is nothing but square root of x1 minus x2 the whole का square plus y1 minus y2 the whole का square. Okay, so OA के लिए take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Again this does not matter, किसी को भी x1 y1 x2 y2 ले लो because यहाँ पे even if you interchange your answer is going to come correct because square है, ultimately square हो रहा है. Okay, so x1 minus x2 का square plus y1 minus y2 का square, this will give you the length of OA. Same way we'll find length of OB. Once you get OA and OB, area is easy, half into base into height, that is half into OA into OB. मुझे area मिल जाएगा. Okay, so let us solve now. First we'll find the coordinates of A and B and then find the area. We'll write down a few statements. Let line AB meet x-axis at A x comma 0 and y-axis at B 0 comma y. Okay, So equation of line AB we already know, so write that down. Now we'll put the values of the coordinates in the equation because it has to satisfy the equation. So we'll easily get x and y over here. So for A first, we know that 2 into x plus 3 into 0 will be equal to 12. So 2x plus 0 is 12, that is x will be equal to 12 upon 2, that is x will be 6. Okay, so we got x, that is A is 6, 0. Okay, box this, actually A को box कर दो. We got the coordinates of A. Same way we'll find coordinates of B. So for B, 2 into x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate we'll keep as it is, equals to 12. So 2 into 0, 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. So 3y is 12, that is y is equal to 12 by 3, which gives 4. Okay, so y मिल गया. So therefore B will be 0 comma y, that is 0 comma 4. So this is 6 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 4. Okay, draw the diagram first. Okay, पहले diagram draw करो, then write all this, then solve. ठीक है. Now A and B का coordinates मिल गया, box कर दो. We got the coordinates of A and B. Let us find out the area of triangle OAB. For that we need OA का length and OB का length. So let's find the lengths of OA and OB and then find the area. So for length of OA, first write down the coordinates of O and A. So O है 0, 0, origin है. A is 6, 0. So length of OA by distance formula, it will be under root x1 minus x2 the whole ka square plus y1 minus y2 the whole ka square. Put the values of x coordinates and y coordinates. So first I'll write down the x coordinate of O and then x coordinate of A. Okay, then y coordinate. So दोनों का y coordinate 0 है, so 0 minus 0 का square. 0 minus 6 gives minus 6 का square and 0 का square. Okay, minus 6 का square is nothing but 36 and 0 का square is 0. Okay, so square root of 36 is nothing but 6. So length of OA is 6. Alright, same way we'll get length of OB as 4 because यहाँ से distance कितना है 4 है, but still it's better that you use distance formula and show the working. Okay, so same way we'll find length of OB now. So for OB, write down the coordinates and write down the formula. We'll subtract the x coordinates first. So 0 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square. ये हो जाएगा 0 square minus 4 का square. So that gives 0 and 4 का square is 16. So square root of 16 is nothing but 4. Okay, so length of OB is 4. This is 6, this is 4. So now area for triangle OAB, area of the triangle will be half into base into height. Okay, so write down over here OA is 6 and OB is 4. Okay, so half into 6 into 4, 2 3s are, so 3 4s are 12. Now over here we don't know whether it is centimeter, meter, we don't know the units, so write down square units. Okay, and box it. You have to write down square units. Area है तो square होगा, volume होता है तो cube होता है. Okay, So write down area of triangle OAB is equal to 12 square units. Box कर दो. Okay. Whatever values you are getting, please box it. All right. Let's solve the next question. Question number 21. The line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 meets x-axis at A. Write down the coordinates of A. Determine the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. First part consider करते हैं पहले. There is a line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Equation दिया है and it meets x-axis at A. It is cutting x-axis at some point. So there is some line whose equation is 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and it is meeting x-axis. So it is meeting x-axis at point A. Okay. Write down the coordinates of A. A is lying on x-axis, है ना? It is the point of intersection of both the lines. So it is lying on x-axis. So y coordinate क्या होगा? Y coordinate 0 होगा, है ना? It will have some x coordinate but y coordinate will be 0. So let's say that the coordinates of A are x and 0. Okay. Now since this point is lying on this line, it has to satisfy the equation. So if I put the coordinates in the equation, I will get the value of x because y 0 होगा, so I'll easily get the value of x. Okay. So बहुत easy है, A का coordinates easily मिल जाएगा. So first let us find out the coordinates, then we'll proceed to the second part of the question. Okay. First draw the figure and then write down the statements. So write down line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 meets x-axis at A. It is cutting x-axis at point A. A we are taking as x comma 0. Y coordinate 0 होगा because it is lying on x-axis. Okay. Now the coordinate values we can substitute in the equation because it has to satisfy the equation. So write down point A x comma 0 lies on line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So putting y equal to 0 in the equation, 4x minus 3 into 0 plus 12 equals to 0, है ना? So 4x minus 0 plus 12 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to minus 12. That is x is equal to minus 12 by 4. So 4 3s are. X is minus 3. So A का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? minus 3 comma 0. So therefore A is minus 3 comma 0. We had to write down the coordinates of A. So box this. Okay. Now coming to the remaining part of the question. Determine the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. We have to find the equation of the line which is passing through A. A से pass हो रहा है and ये line से perpendicular है. It is perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So there is a line which is perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and is passing through A. Okay. ये line का equation क्या होगा? We have to find out. For equation, first thing that we need is slope. How will we find the slope of this line? We are told that the two lines are perpendicular. So whatever is the slope of this line, we can easily find the slope, है ना? Because we know the equation, so bring it in standard form, y equals to mx plus c. Standard form में लेकर आओ, you will easily get m, that is slope. Okay, coefficient of x जो होगा that will be the slope. So bring the equation in this form, compare करके you will get m का value, इसका slope मिल जाएगा. We know product of the slopes of perpendicular lines is equal to -1. So slope of this line into this line will be equal to -1. Let's say slope of this line is m1, this is m2, so m1 into m2 will be equal to -1. Okay, m1 पता है तो m2 easily मिल जाएगा, you just have to put the value of m1. Okay, slope मिल जाएगा, we have one point का coordinates, the line is passing through a जिसका coordinates अभी हम लोग ने find किया है, it is -3, 0. So we have one point का coordinates, we have slope, we can easily frame the equation. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. m मुझे मिल जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा, x1 y1 is nothing but this. So I have this, I have this, I can easily frame the equation. So first I have to find slope of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Once I get that, then I will easily get the slope of the line perpendicular to it. So let's solve now. Let the slope of line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 be m1. So first we'll write down the equation. We have to bring it in standard form. So y वाला term पहले देखो, it is negative, make it positive. So we'll shift this on the other side. 4x plus 12 as it is, 3y को shift करो. y का कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए, so 3 है, 3 को shift करते हैं. So 4x plus 12, the whole will be divided by 3. Separate the denominators. Okay, that is denominator एक ही है, but separated because it is denominator of 4x also and of 12 also. तो separate कर दो, because x वाला term separately लिखेंगे and constant separately लिखेंगे. So I am solving over here. 4x upon 3 plus 12 upon 3 equals to y. 3 4s are. So we are getting 4x upon 3 plus 4 is equal to y. Switch the sides, you will get it in standard form, है ना? y equals to mx plus c. Compare करके what is the slope? Slope is 4 by 3. So write down comparing the equation with the standard form. Y equals to mx plus c. M क्या मिल रहा है? We have taken m as m1 over here because there are two slopes involved over here. So m1 will be 4 by 3. Write down for line through a minus 3 comma 0 and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Let the slope be m2. Now we know that m1 into m2 will be equal to -1 because these are perpendicular lines. Okay, so m1 we found it is 4 by 3 into m2 is equal to -1. Shift this on the other side, it will become reciprocal. -1 into 3 by 4, that will give -3 by 4. Okay, so m2 minus 3 by 4 है. We have m, we have x1 y1. We can easily frame the equation of the line through a. Okay, so write down for line through a and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Slope we have, it is -3 by 4, and let a is -3 comma 0 be x1 y1. So write this down. Okay, x1 y1 है, m2 है, put it in the equation. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m2 into x minus x1. Put the values of y1, x1 and m2. Y minus y1 is 0, m2 is minus 3 by 4, x minus x1 is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3, put box bracket outside. 4 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, so 4 into y हो जाएगा, y minus 0 is nothing but y, minus 3 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा, x plus 3, 4y equals to minus 3x, minus into plus minus 9. Okay, now you can shift 3x wala term over here because this is negative. In fact, shift both the terms because both are negative. So write x term first, then y term, then the number equal to 0. Signs will change when you shift on the other side. So this will be the equation of the line. Okay, or you can write it in standard form. So 4 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So y will be equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 9 by 4. Okay, so whichever way you consider, equation is correct. Write down the equation, box it, and write down the final statement. All right, so I have not written the statement. Add the final statement. The equation of the line is 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. Moving on to next question, question number 22. The point P is the foot of perpendicular from A minus 5 comma 7 to the line 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. Determine first part the equation of the line AP, second part the coordinates of P. Point P is the foot of perpendicular from A. From A you are drawing a perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. A से एक perpendicular draw कर रहे हैं to this line. There is a point A minus 5 comma 7. From here we are drawing a perpendicular to other line जिसका equation है 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. ये जो perpendicular draw किया है उसका foot है P. So it is the point where this perpendicular meets the line. Okay, P is the point where perpendicular is meeting the line. All right, now we have to find the equation of the line AP. AP का equation क्या होगा ये find out करना है. For equation we need slope. Slope of AP we can easily find out because AP is perpendicular to this line. And this line ka slope we can easily find out from the equation. Bring the equation in standard form, y equals to mx plus c. Standard form में लेकर आओ, you'll easily get m slope का value. Once you get the slope of this line, we know product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. है ना? So I'll easily get AP का slope from the slope of this line. Once I get slope of AP, I have A का coordinates. So I'll get slope of AP. I have x1, y1. Using m and x1, y1, I can easily frame the equation. Right? Put the values of x1, y1 and m. You'll get the equation of AP. Okay. Second part, we have to find the coordinates of P. I'll come to this part later. First, let us find out the equation of AP. First, we'll find out the slope of 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. So, write down the equation. Check y wala term. It is negative, make it positive. So, shift it on the other side, positive हो जाएगा. Y का कोएफिशिएंट 3 नहीं होगा, it should be 1. So shift 3 on the other side. So it will get divided. 3 is denominator of 2x also and 18 also. So separate कर दो. 3 6 यहाँ पे as it is. Switch the sides, you will get it in standard form. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हो गया, y equals to mx plus c के फॉर्म में. So now you can say that the slope is 2 by 3. So comparing the equation with standard form, we get slope as 2/3. सो इसका स्लोप 2/3 है, तो इसका स्लोप क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल. ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. 2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3/2. AP is perpendicular to line 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, slope of AP is negative reciprocal of 2/3. Okay, ये जो लाइन है उसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. You can take M1 M2 and then find out. Okay, I have not taken M1 M2 over here, मैंने directly कर दिया है. So it is basically -1 divided by 2/3. So it is -1 into 3/2, that is -3/2. Okay, so slope of AP we got. We have slope, we have 1 point का coordinates. Let's find the equation. So write down for AP, M is -3/2 and let A x1 y1 be -5, 7. So equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 is 7, m we just got -3/2, x1 is -5, so put box bracket outside. 2 को शिफ्ट करेंगे, 2 into y minus 7 is equal to -3 into माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 2y minus 14 is equal to -3x minus 15. Signs will change, don't forget that. 3x को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, 15 को भी यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, because here the number will be negative. Let's make everything positive. 3x पहले लिखेंगे, first x term then y term, plus 15 minus 14 हो जाएगा. 15 when you shift over here it becomes plus 15, plus 15 minus 14 1. So plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is the equation. You can express in standard form also. That is also correct. Box कर दो equation को. Write down the final statement. The equation of the line AP is 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, or in standard form. Now we'll come to the second part of the question. Finding the coordinates of point P. We have to find the coordinates of P now. So P is the point where both the lines are meeting, intersecting. So P का coordinates कैसे find out करेंगे? By solving the two equations. These are two linear equations. दोनों को solve करो. Solve करके x and y का जो value मिलेगा, that is nothing but the coordinates of P. It will give you the coordinates of the point where both the lines are meeting. Okay. So x and y का जो value मिलेगा, that will be the coordinates of this point. So it's very easy. Let's solve the two linear equations. Okay. So first equation is 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. Whenever we are solving linear equations, we shift constant in the RHS. We keep the constant in RHS. So shift this over here. Okay, so this is the first equation. Second equation is 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. यहाँ पे भी same thing. So bring the constant in RHS. ये equation 2 हो जाएगा. y का जो साइन है दोनों में opposite है. So I'll make coefficients of y same. यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है. So 3 and 2 का LCM will give me 6. Okay. So I'll multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So I'll get same coefficient. Okay. So multiplying 1 by 2. 2 इंटू 2x माइनस 3y इक्वल्स टू माइनस 18, ये 4x हो जाएगा, ये 6y एंड ये माइनस 36. Number this as 3. Here I'll multiply by 3. So multiplying 2 by 3. So 3 into 3x plus 2y equals to minus 1. That will give 9x plus 6y equals to minus 3. Now we have same coefficients and opposite signs. So whenever we have opposite signs, we add the equation. Same sign में subtract the equation. So यहाँ पे we'll add the two equations. Let's add 3 and 4 now. Adding equations 3 and 4. So 3 is 4x minus 6y equals to minus 36 and 4 is 9x plus 6y equals to minus 3. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4x प्लस 9x विल गिव 13x. दोनों नेगेटिव है, सो एड एंड पुट नेगेटिव साइन. 36 प्लस 3 विल गिव 39. सो x इज माइनस 39 बाई 13, दैट गिव्स 13 3s. सो x इज माइनस 3. ओके, x का वैल्यू मिल गया. Now put the value of x in any one of the equations. Okay, चारों में से कोई भी एक equation में substitute करो, you will get y का value. So I'll put it in 1 and find out the value of y. Okay, so putting x equal to minus 3 in equation 1. 2 into minus 3 minus 3y equals to minus 18. So this will give minus 6. Minus 3y equals to minus 18. Shifting 6 over here, 6 minus 18 हो जाएगा. So minus 3y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to minus 12 upon minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 4s are. So y 4 है. Okay. We got x as minus 3 and y as 4. So we got the coordinates of P. Therefore, P is minus 3, 4. Write this, box कर दो. Write down the final statement. The coordinates of P are minus 3, 4. Okay. I'm not writing the final statement. Do write the statement.